This is Sukhasana, or the easy pose, but it isn't easy for some people. Due to tight hips or tight knees, they are not able to get the knees lower. Here are a few poses that you can try. Grab a blanket and place it below your hips. Sit erect, grab both the soles of the feet together. Make sure you're sitting erect. The knees are pushing towards the mat. Peel both the soles apart from each other. Sit erect and hold this pose for a few seconds. The next pose, lie down on the blanket placed about a foot away from the wall. Place your left foot on the wall such that the left shin is parallel to the mat. Grab the right foot and place the right ankle on the left knee. Make sure the right shin is parallel to the wall, and keep holding this pose as you keep pushing the right knee towards the wall. And switch. So this time place your left shin parallel to the wall, pushing the left ankle towards the wall. Keep holding this. Now repeat the same pose, but this time pull your left knee towards the chest to get a deeper stretch, and then repeat it on the other side. Pull the right knee towards your chest. The next one is happy baby pose. Open your knees slightly wider than your torso and bring them up towards your armpits. Position each ankle directly over the knee so your shins are perpendicular to the floor. Flex your heels and keep holding this position for a few seconds. Now let's try Sukhasana with a few props. Sit on a blanket. Grab some blocks or your cushions that you may have at home. Place the blocks under your knees. That will give you more support and help you to sit erect. If you have tight knees, grab a washcloth and make a roll out of it and place it right below your knee or both the knees if required. Sit erect. As you keep practicing this pose every day, you may be able to eventually reduce the height of the blocks or maybe get rid of some of the props as you gain better mobility in your hips and your knees. Sit erect. Have the opposite ankles below your knees. Make sure to switch sides so that you have the right leg down once and the left leg down once. Thank you.